Here's some fine wine trivia. Subscribe. What region is associated with Malbec? Is it A, Argentina, B, France, C, Chile, or D, Italy? The correct answer is A, Argentina. Which grape variety is widely used for champagne? Is it A, Sauvignon Blanc, B, Chardonnay, C, Pinot Noir, or D, Merlot? The correct answer is B, Chardonnay. What is the primary grape in Chianti? Is it A, Sangiovese, B, Cabernet Sauvignon, C, Merlot, or D, Pinot Noir? The correct answer is A, Sangiovese. What term refers to the scent of a wine? Is it A, essence, B, scent, C, aroma, or D, flavor? The correct answer is C, aroma. Which famous French region produces Burgundy? Is it A, Bourgogne, B, Provence, C, Alsace, or D, Loire Valley? The correct answer is A, Bourgogne. What French term describes a wine's body? Is it A, B, cépage, C, terroir, or D, vinaigre? The correct answer is A, core. What berry is used primarily in the making of wine? Is it A, raspberries, B, grapes, C, blueberries, or D, cherries? The correct answer is B, grapes. What color wine is made from red and white grapes? Is it A, white, B, rosé, C, red, or D, sparkling? The correct answer is B, rosé. Which grape variety is used in Barolo? Is it A, Cabernet Sauvignon, B, Merlot, C, Sangiovese, or D, Nebbiolo? The correct answer is D, Nebbiolo. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.